Making your own potting soil mix can be as complicated as you want it to be, but today we're going to walk through a simple recipe that can be used as a baseline to build upon. When it comes to any potting mix, the lighter the better. Loose and porous mixtures not only make a container easier to move, but they allow for good drainage and transport water, fertilizer, and air to plant roots more quickly. The bulk of your potting mix should be sphagnum peat moss or a coconut coir for water retention, followed by equal parts perlite and vermiculite to improve drainage and hold nutrients. About 10% of your mixture should be comprised of a good compost and an all-purpose fertilizer. For peat-based potting soils, add a handful of pulverized dolomite lime to neutralize the pH and increase calcium and magnesium. Check out the notes in the post below for a simple recipe to make your own potting mix. If you've already formulated a blend that you love, we encourage that you share it in the comments section for others to try. This is Jason with Year Round Garden.